Hello, my name is Erin Reynolds, and I am a current senior in the undergraduate Communications Sciences and Disorders program at the University of Georgia, and my intended graduation date is May of 2018. Now, throughout my college career, I've been involved in many different projects for many different classes with many different types of people. And one project that comes to mind was a big group project in which the final grade counted for a large percentage of our grade in the entire class. Upon being assigned this group, we decided as a group that it would be best if we split the project up into different portions so that each member was responsible for a specific part of the final project. In addition, we decided that it would be best if we scheduled weekly meetings to meet up as a group in order to discuss our progress in the project, as well as work through any problems we might have, ask questions, give feedback, just so we're all on the same page and all working towards the same goal, which is completing this project to the best of our ability. As the semester progressed, one group member stopped showing up to the group meetings, as well as was unresponsive when members reached out to them to check on their progress, as well as just to check on them because we hadn't heard from them in a while. This created tension and stress within our group because we were worried that when it came down to it, we wouldn't have the best work to put forward at the end of the day. So as a result, I took it upon myself to not only complete my portion, but also to complete the portion of this member, just in case they fell through for us, we would have something to present at the end of the day. And this created a lot of stress on me because I wanted to maintain the quality of work that I'm used to, but now was responsible for twice the work. I, in this situation, should have known that it was okay to involve higher authority, such as the teacher, to get involved in this situation and to help us figure it out instead of taking it upon myself and putting pressure on myself to pull this together for everybody. I now know that it's important to communicate effectively with everybody in order to get the job done. In the future, as a speech-language pathologist, I will be involved with many different teams, and I know that it's important that communication is effective so that we are always doing what is best for our client at the end of the day. Now, treatment and evaluation are both very important and integral parts of the field of speech-language pathology, but there's so much more that goes into it as well. And one that is important to me is research. Science is the backbone of this field, and it keeps this field progressing forward. And without research, there's no way to enhance this field and make new discoveries. Currently, I'm involved in research with Dr. Sandy Bass-Ringdahl at the University of Georgia, in which we are looking into early intervention for deaf and hard of hearing children, as well as cochlear implementation. Being involved with this research has taught me the value of research and how it's so important, because not only is it involved in things such as evidence-based practicing, which is helping to make sure that this treatment that you're about to implement for your client is effective and valid and reliable, but it's also helps to drive further questions. One research article can lead to asking another question, which could drive a whole new research endeavor forward. And I just think that's really cool and really important, because as speech-language pathologists, we should never stop asking questions. We should always want to know more and always ask why. And another part that's important that is part of being a speech-language pathologist is advocacy. It's important to stay up to date on the laws regarding hearing and speech and anything that encompasses or has to do with these two, our field. It's important to keep that in mind and always advocate for those who can't advocate for themselves or don't know how to. It's important that we bring to light to our government things that need to be changed or fixed, and always trying to help better the quality of life for people who can't do it on their own. And I believe that in addition to evaluating and treatment, research and advocacy are just as important in the field of speech-language pathology. Thank you. Bye-bye.